Hi, my name is Zach Elder, and I graduated Duke in 2015 with a degree in public policy from the Sanford School. Today is Wednesday, July 29th, 2020, and I'm recording from New York City, where I live, and I work at Sarah Lawrence College in Bronxville, New York, as Director of Strategic Initiatives. So right now we're facing several major policy questions at Sarah Lawrence College and in higher education in general, mostly brought on by new federal regulations and, of course, the COVID pandemic. We're facing immigration regulation issues, so things that are impacting our international students. Federal funding issues for higher education are always a major issue, but especially in today's climate with the pandemic. Restrictions on how we can reopen our campus in Bronxville from the state and federal government are very important to understand. And there are a number of other changes to higher education policy coming from the federal level right now, things like Title IX. So there's a wide array of policy issues affecting my institution and higher education in general. And they're important because they have a real impact on people, on students, and they have a real impact on the long-term success of our institutions like Sarah Lawrence College. Sanford prepared me to handle these challenges by thinking about the complexities of policy, being able to read policy and understand what it means and its implications, thinking about the likelihood of certain political outcomes and policy debates and where those will wind up and how they're going to affect real people on the ground. For instance, there's been a lot of back and forth recently over international students, and we have a large body of international students at Sarah Lawrence College. So these aren't just policy questions, they're questions that are affecting real people. Also thinking about how to interact with policymakers ourselves and understanding their influence on the process and knowing who to call and what to ask can be really important. And thankfully, Sanford helped prepare me for all those things. My name is Zach Elder, and this is why public policy matters.